Making ice cream at home is a delightful and rewarding experience. In this video, we'll walk you through the process step by step and share some fun facts along the way. First, let's gather our ingredients: heavy cream, milk, sugar, and vanilla extract. These are the basics, but you can always get creative with flavors and add-ins later. Start by combining 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 cup of whole milk, 3/4 cup of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract in a mixing bowl. Stir until the sugar is completely dissolved. You can use a whisk or an electric mixer for this step. Did you know that the origins of ice cream can be traced back to ancient China around 200 BC? They made a frozen mixture of milk and rice. The balance of ingredients is crucial. Too much sugar can make the ice cream too sweet and affect its texture, while too little can make it hard and icy. Before churning, it's important to chill the mixture in the refrigerator for about 1 to 2 hours. This helps the ice cream freeze faster and develop a better texture. Chilling the mixture beforehand also helps in reducing the formation of large ice crystals, making the final product smoother and creamier. Pour the chilled mixture into your ice cream maker. Churn it according to the manufacturer's instructions, typically for about 20 to 25 minutes. This churning process incorporates air and prevents the formation of ice crystals, giving the ice cream its smooth texture. The first hand-cranked ice cream freezer was invented by Nancy Johnson in 1843, which revolutionized the way ice cream was made. The key to creamy ice cream is the churning process. Without it, you'd end up with a hard block of frozen milk. The process of churning also incorporates air into the mixture, increasing its volume and giving it that light, fluffy texture. Once the ice cream starts to thicken, you can add mix-ins like chocolate chips, fruit, or nuts. Just make sure to add them during the last 5 minutes of churning so they are evenly distributed without getting too crushed. Vanilla is the most popular ice cream flavor worldwide, but chocolate chip cookie dough is a close contender in the US. There are even unique flavors like garlic, avocado, and squid ink. You can experiment with different types of mix-ins. For example, adding a swirl of caramel or fudge can create delicious pockets of flavor throughout your ice cream. After churning, transfer the soft ice cream into a container and cover it with plastic wrap or a lid. Freeze for at least 2 to 4 hours to allow it to firm up. For best results, let it freeze overnight. The longer you freeze the ice cream, the harder it will become. For a softer texture, you can reduce the freezing time to about 1 hour. Remember to take the ice cream out of the freezer a few minutes before serving to let it soften slightly. Scoop the ice cream into bowls or cones and enjoy. You can also top it with your favorite sauces, sprinkles, or fresh fruits. The ice cream cone was popularized in the United States at the 1904 World's Fair in St. Louis. Today, ice cream cones come in many varieties, including waffle, sugar, and cake cones. For an extra touch, try serving your ice cream in edible bowls made from cookie dough or even chocolate.